Hello guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful mirror by using this item from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, keep watching. Let's get started. Option 1 was my original plan, since in general I like to keep things simple. I just like the beauty of classic geometry. It also has the 3D effects as I expected. It just in the end, when I started to take photos, I just felt like maybe something missing for this design. Then I decided to add those little mirrors and golden strips. And I have to say they came out way better than I thought. Those attachments definitely speak out and the mirror becomes more interesting. So is life. Sometimes little things can make you feel more bright. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna have more floor mirror DIY projects coming soon. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.